back to my channel. So what I'm going to do today is something I've been wanting to do since I came to Tripura. Not just since I came to Tripura, it's like I have been wanting to do it before I came here. So now this is coconut eating and cutting. So I'm going to take you guys with me to the pond side where we have our coconut trees, and there we're going to pluck. I don't know if it's pluck, but we have to like kind of really force those coconuts out of the coconut tree. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna cut it. So let's go. Brothers have already arrived here and we're going to pluck the coconuts.
Yang ke khujago khajulia.
So guys, we are from Borgasia, so we're having a lot of fun with
Kerala.
coconut. So this is our coconut tree, and I'm going to plant so you can see this.
Kelai keses. Rang nang phut. Bedek. Tada. Money. So I don't know if it makes sense, but the coconut water, especially from our coconut tree, tastes like we have actually added sugar. It's like so sweet.
Yeah, it's true. It's very perfect taste and also very sweet. Also in this perfect weather, we're having a lot of fun with this coconut.
And now we are in Kerala now.
Oh, we are in Kerala right now.
Ay tan gara ne bo. Bakit bro? Jangan sama bango. Bos, ini kan jadi pongkam ke, lagi nak puan. Bukan bong celak. Ini kau bukur jangan, ajaran man.
Wow, khám khai tạm coi.
Ebi!
Sabi. Video. Ready?
it was so much fun. I couldn't show you guys properly, how I cut it the coconut. I could cut it better way. But the thing is, like, I don't know. My sister, she forgot to take the first video. So because of that, the second coconut was a bit hard. It was not a young coconut. It was kind of getting on the older side. So anyway, I hope you had a good time watching the video. It was a very small, cute, tiny little activity I did today. So I hope you had a good time watching it. Keep on loving, keep on supporting. Lots of love. Bye-bye.